Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to add line types. So for example, I will create rectangle, and if you want to change line type, you can type line type, press enter, and then will be show for line type manager. You can click open this icon, and then I will use ISO line type, click open again. So you can see we have a lot of line type in here. As example, I will add for dash, and you can click OK to be add into this line type manager. You can click open again, and then you can insert again like for dot. Click OK. If you're done, you can click close. To apply into object, you can select the object and then go to properties. Click in line type, and like you can choose this dash line type. You can click, and it will be automatically applied into the selected object. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to add line types. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.